Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from a Fred K, and he asks, is there a way for me to cash out my retirement and so I can just put it in my own Roth IRA or something similar, some sort of investment vehicle, right? So what he's looking to do here is to take a lump sum distribution of his railroad retirement. Now, some pension funds have that. However, railroad retirement annuity, there is no lump sum distribution option, okay? So, and to tell you the truth, you really don't want to do that because railroad retirement annuity just pays out tremendously. You wouldn't want to get the cash out because you can't really replicate that type of return, guaranteed return in the regular marketplace. Not to mention, if you did take it out, you would probably have a big taxable event. So Fred, I hope that answers your question. You'll just have to enjoy your railroad retirement. Trust me, it's a great deal. Check out my video, what you need to know about Tier 2 and railroad retirement. That will kind of, help you understand how great of a deal Tier 2 is. All right. Until next time, everyone, send in your videos. I appreciate your questions, and I'll make a video on it. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notifications to get the latest video. Until next time, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.